guys, today the boys and I are going out for some skids on New Year's Day. We're gonna check out a new spot, so stay tuned for all the carnage. Got all the vets out today. America. Wouldn't be lies if, you know. Gonna try to slide this thing stock angle. If you know about drifting vets with stock angle, then you know how fun it is to try to get that done. We'll see how it goes. Should be a good time. Gonna meet up with some other guys at the new spot we haven't been to yet, so should be a solid day. So we even got Judah from Judah's Garage coming out today with this sweet Hellcat.
Dirty Hellcat.
Hey, that's okay. All of our cars are dirty. We riding dirty, boy. If you guys haven't seen his channel, check it out, Judah's Garage.
You already know. Have you drifted your car yet? First time.
Kind of just like little drift donuts.
Is this like the first like major event?
Kind of like more than just donuts. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do some stuff today, but with the vets.
Yet or no?
No, not yet.
Oh, so you're still limited.
Yep. Race car. Yeah, so.
That thing was awful. There's a whole wang on it. Wang.
Yeah, so today's gonna be interesting with stock angle. When we showed up to the new spot, we saw that it wasn't that great and we didn't have that much sunlight left, so we figured we might as well just hit up the local favorite spot, have a quick jam session. So here's the footage we got.
That was solid.
Solid.
Yeah. 10! 10 out of 10? 10! That was pretty sick.
I'm not gonna cap. I kind of want to be in there, but I feel like I'd be scared as like, I want to, but I don't.
You should ride with Kenny.
No, don't ride with me. It's going to be a circus in there.
Yeah?
Yeah,
I'm not gonna cap. I'd rather. That was straight off the trailer. One way to enter the party.
So it seems that the new whip's running pretty good, Mr. Lazarowski, killing it.
No power steering still, but we're good.
She rowdy.
as long as you're going fast. I don't know why, I'm kind of nervous. Bro, when you snag that e-brake, it freaking sucks you back. It's tires everywhere.
Look at those chunks. Achilles coming apart, no surprise.
Are they ATRs?
Yep.
Yeah, that's why.
Yep. Gotta get them
Shout out to
Kendas.
Kenda.
What was that?
Shout out to Kenda.
Yes, sir. All right, so now we're gonna find out what this no angle life is about. See what happens.
We getting this bad ready to go.
I don't think I've ever been this nervous in my life.
What?
Yeah.
Dude, just go easy on it. It'll be straight. Just gotta ease into it.
No angle
A little sketch.
Hell yeah.
Woo, that was sketchy, boy.
You just gotta do it a couple times and get used to like the new car, you know what I mean?
Yeah, it's like so snappy.
Yeah. How many times have you drifted this one?
Like just a couple donuts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. It's always better to like start like slow than like try to go crazy and all out and then up, you know what I mean?
Exactly.
Especially when you have a nice whip like this. So just enjoy it. Don't go.
Don't go nutty with it.
Yeah, just have a good time with it. You know what I mean? Like this is supposed to be for fun, you know?
Right. All right, second run.
Nothing.
Woo, that was sketch.
Yeah, bro, don't go. Do what you got. Do what you feel like you want to do. You know what I mean? My heart's racing crazy. Baby. That was clean. That one was like confident, like
Not bad, right?
yeah. But that's what I'm telling you, dog. Like I don't know anything about drifting, but I'm just saying like with like anything you do in life, like you gotta do it. You know what I mean? Like you gotta build up. Because if
Right.
you go too crazy and up, like
If I
you're
would
gonna hate yourself.
if I would have drive this off the rip like I used to drive the Trans Am,
Yeah.
that would have been a bad day.
Yeah, no, dude. I see your videos with that other. You be going crazy.
Little sketch, huh?
I didn't get that last one.
That was the best one.
I know.
That was sick.
Do it again.
No, hell no.
What?
That's pretty
I'm telling you, it's the sketchiest thing ever.
Oh yeah. Right here it looks
It's full lock the whole time.
Just do it one more time.
Is that second?
First.
That was first?
Z06s have stupid long gears.
That's insane.
All of mine was first gear, bro. So, and I think he's got a better gear than I do.
That thing flies, huh?
That freaking flies, yeah. Woo! That's just...
You beat the out of this thing.
Isn't it crazy? It's still like going.
Yeah.
Alright, man, I'm with Sander.
Sander!
Do it for Dale. Yeah, we were expecting that.
Bro, that was it.
You can do the whole run.
Bro, you're an FD driver.
You can do it all
Send
day.
it. I got it.
Just come in, drift a little bit, and then like you can use the foot brake just to slow it down so it doesn't get flying. And then just, you know, let the wheel go, come right around. You got it.
Hey, is there like a manual mode where you just keep it in second?
You think I should keep it in like second?
Yeah, keep it in second.
Yeah,
It'll go
if you're
to
in this car with
it'll go
pedals,
to fourth.
What gear ratio?
So you don't want that.
Fast.
dude, don't go over
Honestly,
second.
have no grip, so you barely even have to do
Yeah.
that.
I would.
You're just gonna barely flutter it.
Yeah,
dude.
bro. Steer with your foot.
Throttle control.
Look where you want to go.
Second gear all day long.
Oh yeah.
Why is it rolling?
What do you guys think?
What?
Just tell them a couple things to do.
Dude, you're doing it. It's just the thing is like, is it upshifting or is it in second?
It's in second.
Okay. So when you come in, it's perfect.
Yeah.
You know, kind of go out wide and come back this way nice and slow.
Cut the wheel.
And try to come this way, because right now you're coming in and you're kind of shallowing up and coming straight through here. So you start flying.
Yeah.
You know,
Oh, you know what it is too?
Close over here.
Try to foot brake it when you initiate. When you come from here to here, foot brake it a little bit, because that's why you're freaking slinging around.
They like slow down, but it's staying in drift. How's the tires looking?
They're not even
They're so hard,
Listen,
bro. Those tires are like dry rot.
We've been here. Perfect for it.
The wheel,
I
let me
paid
see.
$20 for these tires, so I can't really.
Cut the wheel. Let me see the angle real quick.
Oh.
That's plenty. That's pretty good. That's plenty.
Alright, coming in hot, boys.
Bro, if he gets this down, that'll be sick. Hey, he'll be hooked after.
It's like crack. You just want to do it more and like faster, hard, longer.
What have you been doing on your spare time?
Nothing.
Brandoni and Laz, here we go.
Getting dark.
Yep. Gets interesting when it gets dark.
Good.
Alright guys, so as you can see from that video, I didn't do a lot of driving. This thing's a lot of work to get it to drift with the stock steering angle, these grippy 335 Michelin race tires, and stock suspension. This thing just wants to grip up and go straight. But here shortly, I'll have all the parts to get this thing ready for the track and to get this thing performing the way that it should. I know I haven't been posting a lot of videos here lately just because I've been trying to get all the parts and stuff. That way I actually have content for you guys. So tell me in the comments below what kind of content you guys want to see, and we'll get those videos out. In the meantime, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you next time.